Welcome, friends. Today we're going to do a little bit of an experiment. I really like baking with sourdough starter, sourdough cultures. And I get a lot of questions from people asking, what if I forget to feed my starter? What if going away for vacation for a couple of weeks and I leave the starter in the fridge? Will it be okay? Do I have to call someone in to feed it? And so I thought, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to leave some sourdough starter in the back of the fridge for 6 months and then revive it and see what happens. So this has been in the back of the fridge for 6 months and it looks pretty good. A little bit of liquid on the top, but there's no mold. Smells a little funky, but no more funky than a regular sourdough starter smells. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take out 1 scoop and plop that in the bottom of this clean beaker. I don't think we're gonna need very much in order to get this rolling again. Into that, I'm gonna put about a cup of unbleached flour. I'm not going to go whole hog on measuring accuracy. And about a half a cup of water. Give it a stir to completely combine. And I'm going to mark a line on it. And over the next 6 to 8 hours, I'm going to watch it very closely and see if we get any activity. So stick around. Let's see what happens. Okay, so about 12 hours have gone by, and it hasn't expanded much in height, but it is really frothy, so I know that the yeast is active in here. And it smells really good. I think this survived. So I'm going to give it a stir, just to make sure everything is homogeneous. I'm going to take out maybe half. Discard the rest, and feed it and leave it for another 12 to 24 hours, and then we'll bake some bread.